Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to create a PayPal account without phone number. First thing first, start the PayPal registration on a computer for best results. Fill in your basic information and when prompted for a phone number, pause and proceed to the next step. Open the verification email sent by PayPal and click the verification link to confirm your email address. This step ensures account recovery is possible without relying on SMS verification. Now go to a website named Text Verified and create an account using your basic info. Verify your text verified email after signing up, and after logging in, find the Verifications tab on the navigation bar and click Text and SMS to see the full list of services that offer SMS verification. Now, use the search bar and type PayPal. Ensure the status is new or used to confirm the available US phone numbers. If numbers are unavailable, you may need to add credits to your text verified account from $1 to $2, usually enough. Now click on PayPal in Text Verify to generate a temporary phone number. Copy this number and paste it into the PayPal's phone number field and wait for the verification code to appear in the message column of Text Verified. Now copy the code and enter it to PayPal to complete the account verification. And now you have a verified PayPal account without using your personal phone number. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.